What's up, my mind your money business folks? It's me yet again with another video of today's stock market. And things have been a little iffy since Nvidia's earnings report came out on yesterday. Now, just a little bit about the report. What it reported was, it reported an 81-cent adjustment earnings per share, or $19.3 billion net income in the 3-month period ending last month, topping average analyst projections of 75 cents earnings per share, or $17.4 billion net income according to FactSheet. So it exceeded in that aspect. The semiconductor chip architect generated $35.1 billion in sales, crushing estimates of $33.2 billion. Nvidia indicated growth will continue into the fourth quarter next year, guiding for about $37.5 billion in revenue, compared to Census forecast of $37.09 billion. So overall, things were good, but we all know about the heating rack issue, and the stock didn't move anywhere. It actually went down before the report came out. After market, it was down. The market opened today, it was down. And right now, I believe it's up about maybe 1 or 2%, if I'm not mistaken. Actually, let's have a look before I get too detailed. I'll get into the market, overall market results for today. So let's see, where is Nvidia at the moment? Oh, no, they're not even up 2%. They're up 0.9% right now, which is great. So after experiencing this back in July, this does not shock me. It doesn't even faze me, because even after results came out in July, the stock was volatile. Back in August, early August, they called it Black Monday. The stock went down to 95 or 90 something dollars, and look where it's at now. So I'm in Nvidia for the long haul. This does not faze me. Jensen Huang, because I listened to the earnings call, him and his team put out great results, had nothing bad to say about the company, but nonetheless, the market stalled, and this is where we're at. So it says here today, Dow jumps more than 500 points as investors rotate out of tech into stocks linked to broader economy. So let's see. It says the Dow Jones Industrial Average and the S&P 500 rose Thursday as investors poured into cyclical stocks poised to benefit from an accelerating economy and rotated out of technology shares such as Nvidia, which just reported quarterly earnings. Okay, so they're saying they took their money out of the tech industry, the growing industry, and they put it somewhere else. Okay. The Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 533 points, or 1.2%. The S&P 500 added 0.6%, while the tech-heavy NASDAQ edged up 0.1%. This is the week where everyone is rethinking the Trump trade, said Mark Malek, Chief Investment Officer of Siebert. People are taking it a little more seriously. It's not enough to just say, we think the sector is going to do well. You have to have some answers. Some of Thursday's winners included bank stocks. Such as Goldman Sachs, industrial giants Caterpillar, and retailer Home Depot. The Russell 200 index, viewed as a barometer for small companies and beneficiary of a possible boost to the economy from President-elect Donald Trump, added more than 1.8%. That's good. Investors assess results for AI chip juggernaut Nvidia, which was up 190% this year, into the results. Shares seesawed even after the company reported better than expected third quarter earnings and issued strong guidance. Normally, the stock price would go up. Look at how Tesla just skyrocketed just because of the association of Elon Musk and President-elect Donald Trump. And NVIDIA gives strong earning reports, exceeded expectations, and the stock just stalls. It is what it is. I think I understand. I mean, it's just it is what it is how I see it. But I will continue to dollar cost average into my portfolio and into the stock market for the long haul. That's what my game plan is. Some traders attributed the losses to slowing revenue growth from previous quarters, or concerns that the chip maker didn't exceed the most optimistic guidance estimates. Shares gyrated, but were up about 0.7%. Right now it's up 0.9%. But the market is going to be open for another hour and 5 minutes. It's interesting how they're saying the slowing revenue growth when they earn $35.1 billion in this quarter. But, you know, it is what it is. So while NVIDIA's story of huge beats has underscored the dramatic rise in AI growth, that's the thing, dramatic rise in AI growth. I think this is something big investors want to keep at bay and not let it get too out of control. Too out of control meaning too many people making too much money. Yeah. That can be a good and a bad thing. A lot of people with a lot of money. Either way, investors would be prudent to consider whether NVIDIA outpacing estimates to such a degree is sustainable, said AXS Investment CEO Greg Busuk. He expects the ongoing tug of war, going back and forth, between bulls and bears to fuel potential volatility in the chip making stock. And I believe that because that's exactly what happened the last time NVIDIA provided its exceeding reports. Yeah, it's just a tug of war. Some other technology stock felt the pressure. Amazon slumped nearly 3%, while Meta slipped about 1%. Alphabet declined by 6%, falling for a second session on antitrust fears. Snowflake was one bright spot in the sector, popping nearly 30%, after the company topped Wall Street's estimates and lifted its products revenue guidance for fiscal year. So Snowflake topped estimates and went up 30%. NVIDIA topped Wall Street estimates and stalled out. Make it make sense. But NVIDIA is the most popular stock, is a more popular stock, right? There's a lot of money being invested. Like, I'm not really following Snowflake, so it makes sense. Interesting. Snowflake. And Snowflake is selling for $171 right now. You know, the market's still open. And it has a market cap of $57 billion, not a market cap of over $3 trillion like NVIDIA. So yeah, it's a money thing with NVIDIA. It's money, 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 money. Okay, either way, Salesforce rallied about 5%, helping to lift the Dow. Bitcoin also hit a fresh milestone, crossing the $98,000 level. It was just at 93,000 yesterday, or 94, I think. Wow. For the first time late Wednesday, as investors maintain their hopes that a second Donald Trump presidency will usher in supportive regulation for the industry. It was last trading around, wow, $96,566. So yeah, that's what's going on in the market today, people. We have another hour. Nvidia is still, let me see. Okay, it's now up over 1%, 1.2% right now. Tesla is down, it looks like. Tesla's down about 0.4%. SMCI is up over 14%, which is a good thing. Not bad, SMCI. I'm glad they got their stuff in order because they were on the verge of being delisted. Apple is up 0.15%. Palantir is down a little over 1%. SPLG, the S&P 500, is up right now about 0.47%. Information Technology ETF, FTEC, is up 1.4%. Amazon is down right now, but it could, either way, it's down a little over 2%. So yeah, that's all I have for today, people. Trying to make plans for the weekend. Not sure what I'm going to do yet. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Let me know what you think. If you think anything at all, invest, people. Lower your debt to income ratio. Get control of your life, your money, your future, your thoughts. And, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. All content and information on my channel and in these videos are for entertainment purposes only and reflects my opinions. So please consult with a financial advisor before investing any of your money. All right, so you guys take care. Peace.